What's that all about? Oh my goodness, that's a tough guy. What are we barking at, huh? I don't even know what we're barking at. Nothing coming, nothing there. Very silly. Okay, that's taking care of business. Got every which way. Now we have it under control. Okay. It's your post now. Well marked. Nobody better even think about putting another spot on that spot. Okay. Tough guy. You're a tough guy. All right. That settles that. Okay, Rye. You really have to put up with a lot. Okay, what's he going to do now? Huh? He ignores that one. We don't get far on these walks. Every 5 feet, it's another stop. That's right. Mark one another. Okay, it looks like the excitement is over.